जल्दी से बात करते हैं इस प्यारे से प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में, जहाँ पे आपको मिलता है आपके सपनों का घर, वो भी बहुत ही प्रीमियम सेगमेंट में। ये जो बिल्डिंग आप देख रहे हैं ये है 22 स्टोरी की टावर, जिसमें आपके G+1 लेवल का ड्यूप्ले है। देन आपकी फ्लोटिंग बालकनी है फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे 3 BHK की, जो आपकी जाती है 16 फ्लोर तक। उसके ऊपर है आपका पेंट हाउसेस जो है 22nd फ्लोर तक। अगर आप देख रहे हो बजट में, बट 1 से 1.5 करोड़ का बजट है, 1.5 से 1.25 करोड़ का बजट है, या 2 के ऊपर नहीं जाना है, 2.5 करोड़ नहीं जाना है, 3 करोड़ नहीं जाना है, तो ये आप ही के लिए है ये 3 BHK सेरेनिटी का जो फ्लैट। 3 BHK उन सारे कस्टमर्स और उन सारे व्यूअर्स के लिए है जो देख रहे हैं बड़ा घर, 1000 के ऊपर की कारपेट होनी चाहिए और वो भी डिसेंट बजट में आ जाना चाहिए। तो डेफिनेटली ये प्रोजेक्ट आप ही के लिए बना है। बहुत ही प्यारा प्रोजेक्ट है, बहुत ही स्पेशियस, एक रॉयल और एक प्रीमियमनेस की झलक है इस फ्लैट में, जो मैं जल्द आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ। इसमें हमारे पास लिमिटेड यूनिट बचे हैं, तो दिए हुए नंबर पे आप ज़रूर से फ़ोन करिएगा वीडियो देखने के पूरा बाद, और लिंक पे जाके डिस्क्रिप्शन में आप आपके सारी डिटेल्स व्हाट्सएप पे ले सकते हैं। और साइट विजिट बुक कराने के लिए दिए हुए नंबर पे कॉल करना है। फ्री पिकअप एंड ड्रॉप हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं आपको, और आप सेल्स मैनेजर से भी बात करते सकते हैं जो आपको पूरा प्रोजेक्ट डिटेल दे देंगे। श्योर दैट आपको ये प्रोजेक्ट डेफिनेटली पसंद आएगा। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू, लेट्स गो इनसाइड एंड चेक इट आउट। So right now we are in the actual tower of 3 BHK Serenity. This is how the actual lobby looks like. It is completely functional, double-heighted lobby with the designer tiles and the interior. There's a security for your safety. There's a safety counter for your well-being, and it's a 3-tier security with an access card. So hi, we are exactly in the actual building showing you the beautiful actual apartment of 3 BHK Serenity, which is the most premium luxurious 3 BHK of 119 square feet carpet area. Right now we are standing in the foyer area, which is a beautiful entrance to your beautiful house, for which the carpet area is 5.6 by 8.3 for this particular foyer. You can design the way you want or just like this, however you feel so. Now let's move towards the living area, which is opulent, and the size for this is 20 by 13. So it is rectangular in shape. You can see this is how it is 13 and this is how it is 20, which is including your dining area, which is right now that you can see is 6-seater. You can add or subtract the way you want. Before seeing the entire house, let's check it out, the kitchen. So the kitchen size that we can see is of 12 by 8 carpet area. So 12 by 8, this is 12 and this is 8, which comes with a double door fridge space. You can just place it this way. And moving forward, there are 2 parallel platforms offering you a lot of space between the 2 platforms. There are stainless steel sinks, which is branded, fitted, and then here you can see there's a dry balcony, which offers you a lot of space for your washing machine, additional storage. You can make the cabinets like this or however you want. You can keep some extra things over here that you require while washing your clothes or any extra stuff. Basically the point is यहाँ पे आपको काफ़ी एडिशनल स्टोरेज स्पेस मिल रहा है ये ड्राई बालकनी में, और इसकी खासियत ये है कि ये एक्चुअल अपार्टमेंट में, तो आप देख सकते हो इस तरीके से उसकी विंडो का शेप रहेगा और इतना ही पूरा कवर्ड रहेगा। Right, so now let's move towards the other side. Let's see this beautiful house, but before that, let me show you this amazing deck that we have of 60 square feet. So this entire space is of 60 square feet. It offers you a lot of space to sit, chit chat, have your me time, your space, your comfort zone, your favorite cozy corner, and you can do a lot of plantation, beautification, or keep a lot of chairs, tables, sit-ups, and enjoy this mesmerizing view of this natural lake that you can see, which is open forever. Isn't it amazing? So now let's just go towards the bedroom area. Come. So as we move forward, on my left is the common bathroom area, for which the carpet area is 4 by 8 square feet. So there is a floating platform with a basin, and moving forward there's a designer tiles next to the commode, and then there's a attached shower area that is all your faucets are branded and well fitted with the anti-skate tiles. As we are done with the common bathroom, we'll be moving towards the common bedroom that is of 10 by 12. So 10 by 12 is a very good and decent size for a common bed area. It is really spacious. You can see for yourself. There is a bed which is very decent in size. It's a, I believe, queen size bed, but it is good for 2 people to sleep. If you want a king size, you can still expand the space and expand the bed size and sleep over here. It will be spacious. So here there is a full length wardrobe space for you, wherein you can keep your clothes, and this is 2 feet in depth. So yes, it is well designed and very spacious, offering you a lot of space to move around. Now let's move towards the second bedroom, which is just next to it. Again, the size of this bedroom remains very similar. It is 10 by 12.3 and just it is designed in a different way. So here again comes your full length window. यहाँ पे हमने एक स्पेस दिया है, बॉक्स स्पेस और पॉकेट स्पेस फॉर योर वर्क स्टेशन. लाइक अगर आप वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हो, या अगर ये किड्स बेडरूम है, या एनी यंगस्टर्स हु इज स्टडिंग, सो स्टडी कॉर्नर इज देयर. सो अगेन हियर देयर इज अ वार्डरोब स्पेस which is very spacious. I'll just show you. This is how it is, and you can just design it this way, offering you a lot of space for a couple. And then this is your attached bathroom of 8 by 5 square feet with the designer tiles, floating shelf. Also there's a space above the commode. There's a slab where you can keep your toiletries or your shower products, everything. And onto the left there's a space for your basin. The basin is of Kohler, and then there's a lot of space on this slab also, which is floating towards the basin area, offering you space to keep lot of things and beautify it. You can. So now we'll be moving towards the master bedroom, which I'm really excited to show you, and is one of my favorite bedroom space. So अभी चलते हैं third bedroom, which is the final bedroom of the house की तरफ, for which the size is 10 by 13, and I'm really excited to show you because this is my favorite bedroom. यहाँ पे ये आपका foyer space आता है for the privacy, and on this side is your unreal bathroom space. But before going there, I'd like to show you the bedroom. So here there's a space which is very well designed and utilized as a foyer party है ये, but बहुत अच्छे तरीके से thoughtfully design किया है. For all the ladies, you can be excited. यहाँ पे आप doll up हो सकते हो, dedicated area दी हुई है, and दिखने में भी बहुत premium है. Then moving forward, यहाँ पे आ जाता है आपका काफ़ी बड़ा giant size का wardrobe space. So you can see it's very giant in size. It's still here. Okay, and just parallel to that is your entire bedroom space. So you can see the bedroom space on this side. There is again a cute pocket area given to you for your workstation, your reading corner or whatsoever. Then there's this view which continues and which flows around the house, wherein you can enjoy the lake, the nature, everything, and you can just feel so freshened up and cherished about the entire day and or your life. And then यहाँ पे होता है आपका bedroom tour खत्म. अभी हम चलते हैं बहुत ही fascinating bathroom की तरफ, जिसकी square feet size है 11 by 5 की, and that really comes within very tempting and amazing bath area with a bathtub. So let me show you that. As we move inside, on to the right is your again the floating shelf with a basin. Then there's a commode area, and which if you move further there's a shower area with then bathtub. So if you want to visit the site, if you want to come and have this entire tour for yourself, call on the given number so we can book your appointment. And even if you want to pick up and drop service, we have free pick up and drop service for you guys. So just call on the given number. Suppose if you want the entire detail of this project, the pricing, the brochure, the location, so you can just go in the description, click on the link and get all the details over the WhatsApp. So thank you so much again for watching this video. Do subscribe, keep watching, keep sharing to your friends and family members so that house hunting becomes more easier just like yours. Bye, see you in the next video.